In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit property groups in HubSpot. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate through HubSpot's interface to efficiently manage your property groups, whether you're working with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. So, let's dive in. First, let's kick things off by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the main navigation bar where you'll see a familiar settings icon represented by a gear symbol. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings area, look for the option labeled Data Management. Under this section, click on Properties. This is where you'll manage various property settings linked to your HubSpot data. Moving on, you'll want to select the Groups tab. Within this area, you're given the opportunity to create a new group. To do this, click on the Create Group button. You're almost there. It's time to tailor this group to your needs by giving it a specific name. Once you've entered a name that accurately represents this new group, hit Save. Should you need to make adjustments to an existing property group, here's what you do. Hover your mouse over the name of the group you wish to alter. A convenient Edit button will appear. Click on it and freely update the group's details as needed. Once you're satisfied with your edits, don't forget to save your changes to ensure they're applied. Next, let's focus on managing the property groups within specific object types. HubSpot works with various objects such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. You'll need to choose the object type relevant to your work. This choice is critical because property groups are linked to specific object types, which helps keep your data organized. Once you've identified your object type and selected it, navigate to the top of the table where you'll see the plus Add to Group option. Clicking this will unveil a drop-down menu listing all available groups. Find the group you recently created or any other group you wish to work with, select it, and be sure to hit Save. Perfect. Now the objects are neatly categorized under the appropriate group. And there you have it, a systematic method to create, edit, and manage property groups in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can enhance your HubSpot experience, maintaining a well-organized database that caters to your business's specific needs. As you become more familiar with this process, managing property groups will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy HubSpotting!